Hi guys! Sorry I've been MIA again. No video last week. I just needed a break. I think with the holiday week, believe it or not, with it being a shorter week, made it a little more difficult. We had a rough week in our household last week. A lot of things went on, so I won't get into that, but we had some stuff, some scary things happen. And so anyways, today we're going to pick our winners, and I want to share what I found in my stores. I will have a video just to shop with me, I think is what I'm going to do. Put that separate. What I've seen, I actually even pretty much kind of took a break from like running in the store so much. I've really been thinking summertime I may only have one video a week, so I do apologize. I know if you are a newer subscriber, you just heard that I do 2 a week, sometimes more. I will say the fall, Christmas, there's so much more content, and the fall and Halloween is that's my jam. That's my favorite. And so I'm more excited and more wanting to do a lot more videos for that. So, but the spring and right now, I'm just trying to enjoy, and work has been insane, and I'm still adjusting to that, getting back to work. But I want to go ahead and share with you what I found. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. You want to hit the bell so you don't miss anything. I'm a little all over the place. If you like that, if you kind of like a little bit of a hot mess, I'm your girl. Real life here. I don't always edit my videos. I leave the mess ups in there, and that's me. So instead of taking it out, that's what you'll see. But you'll see hauls and shop with me's and decorate with me's, organize sometimes, maybe even some crafts. I did one Cricut thing, so I know people have asked, please do more. Well, I gotta sit down and do it. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get into this haul. I want to show you, I'm super excited. This isn't even for me, but it was so fun to find in the stores. And my sweet friend, Jackie, also helped me find them. She saw them first, and then when I went into the store, there was even more. So they had put more out after she had saw them. So thank you, Jackie, for being my Ray Dunn buddy. I didn't even know what a Ray Dunn buddy was at first when I first started collecting. So I appreciate you and thank you. All right, I want to show you. Let me grab. Let's see. I should have took them out of the paper. All right, first one. Dopey. Look at how sweet he is. This is probably my favorite mug. And I gotta be honest, if she decides my stepmom doesn't want this is gonna be a Christmas gift for her. I'm hoping she doesn't see them in her stores before I give them to her. So, these are $9.99 because it is part of the Disney princess lines. But is he not the cutest? And then with the little green handle. And then, who is this? Doc. And he has the orange handle. $9.99. These were all found, you guys, at Home Goods. All right. So, then I got Happy. And then with the yellow handle. And honestly, I found these all at one time. And then of course, Snow White. She's gonna love this one. This is gonna probably be her favorite because Snow White is, I think, her favorite out of all of it. So, yeah, Snow White, we'll put her here. You see, that's our ones that I'm going to be drawing. Oh, Grumpy. Who doesn't love Grumpy? Who hasn't been grumpy once in their life, right? I can relate with him. So we got Grumpy, and he has the red. I love that they did each handle a different color. So, and then this one. She's going to love this one. Snow White. I really think she's going to love that iridescent. Nothing on the back, but that's that. So guess what? I didn't find Sleepy or Bashful, you guys. So me and my sisters, both my sisters, well, I contacted one to see if she'd want all of them. She goes, well, why don't you get them? Let me look at them. And then, of course, when she saw them, she was like, oh my gosh, those are so stinking cute. Yes, keep them all. Well, then my other sister contacted me and was like, did you happen to pick up, Mom, the Sleeping Beauty or Snow White? Sleeping Beauty. Snow White. And I said, yes, I did, but I don't have Bashful and Sleepy. So I've been trying to look because I don't think I'm going to find it in the stores. I may have to buy it off of Macari. That way she can have the whole set. And, I don't know if she's going to want all these mugs. She's not a Ray Dunn collector like that. I think she might have a couple pieces, and then I bought her a birdhouse. But I don't know if she'll want all of them. But they're so darn cute. I think she might. I don't know. So, yeah, I'm really on the lookout for the Sleepy and Bashful to complete the set. If she doesn't want them, then I guess she can return them, and then someone lucky will find those. But yeah, so that's what I got. That's it for the haul. I haven't bought myself any Ray Dunn lately. I'm not going to lie. I've ordered quite a bit of clothes. Yeah, not fitting into any of my stuff, my summer stuff. So we need some clothes. All that time off work, you know, doesn't do good on the body. Not to mention you want to eat and snack. So anyways, I'm going to hop into the drawings, and I think I have 49 for Toto, 42 I think for Scarecrow. Like I was saying before, if you were entered into both and you just so happen to get your name pulled for one, you don't get for the other. I'm sorry. I really wanted to have 2 winners. I could have done 4, but I thought at least you kind of have a pair. You know what I mean? Now, if I would have picked up a Dorothy, then I probably would have done Dorothy and Toto, and then had the set of Cowardly Lion, Tin Man all together. But I didn't get an extra one of those. I wasn't thinking. So anyways, let's get on to this drawing, because that's what you guys are waiting for the winners. All right, let me get everything ready. Okay, guys, we are going to go ahead and pick the winners for the Scarecrow and the Tin Man first. I had 42 entries, and I am doing it old school today. I don't know why. I know I can use the little thing that picks it randomly, but there's something about putting my hand in there, and when I'm using my cauldron for all the entries. Yes, I hand wrote them all out. They're all in there, okay? And we're going to pick a winner for the Scarecrow first. Now, if you were one that wanted to be entered into both, remember, if you win the Scarecrow and the Tin Man, you won't be entered into the next one for Toto and the Cowardly Lion. So we're going to go ahead. Sorry. we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do the drawing for that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pick the winner. Remember, I can't see because they're all folded. Sharon, you won the Scarecrow and the Tin Man. So, you're going to have to contact me with your information. If you're not on Instagram, but if you are, message me. If not, I do have an email. I will link below, jamielovingallseasons, and you can give me your information. I think it's Bartfield, Sharon Bartfield. You won. You won these two. Congratulations. All right. Now we're going to go ahead on to the winners. I have to take some of the ones out that just wanted the Scarecrow. So I got to take those out. And then there was some that just wanted Toto, the Toto and the Cowardly Lion. And I will add those in and let you know. Okay, now we're going to do the Toto. So what you'll win with Toto, sorry, I am obviously never organized, right? So you'll win Toto and the Cowardly Lion together as a set. So this is what you get. For this, I had 49 entries for this, okay? Some of you, like I said, did both. And we had I just picked the winner for the Scarecrow. And so what I'm doing now, we're mixing it up. Mixing it up. All right. The winner, let's see. Jack. You won the Toto. So, once again, make sure you guys contact me on Instagram if you're following me on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, I do have an email down below, and you can contact me on there so I can get your information. Obviously, we don't want to put that out there for everybody to see. So, make sure you get in touch with me. If for some reason neither one of these winners contact me within a week, we'll go ahead and we'll draw new ones. So I won't get rid of all the names just in case, because I don't want to rewrite them. I know I could have done the little digital, but I just feel like there's something fun about picking it out, and believe me, all you are in there. So, yeah, that is it for the drawing. Congratulations to the winners. I'm so happy for you. And I'm so happy that I was able to share this with you. Sorry it took longer to get back with you and do the winners. As you guys heard at the beginning of the video, I kind of had to take some time to, you know, get myself back together. I told you I've been having a rough time with work, but we're going to say our goodbyes. I'm going to tell you guys, have a wonderful day. Be kind to one another. Oh, and don't forget me, give me the big thumbs up, okay? Big thumbs up. And comment below, let me know if you guys found any of the Snow Whites in your stores. Like I said, I was still looking for Bashful and Sleepy for the whole set, and that's going to be a gift for my stepmom, so I think she'll love it. And yeah, let me know, comment below, what exciting things have you found lately? All right, bye guys. Oh, be kind to one another, love one another. Have a wonderful day.